Hi Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po ito 100% accurate for you. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Cancer. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you, mga gabay at blessings for Cancer. Cancer, please. Energies and messages for Cancer, mga gabay, mensahe at mga blessings for Cancer. Okay. Okay, be confident to yourself, no? Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo at sa iyong kakayahan. Huwag ka mawalan ng pag-asa, Cancer. If you're thinking about a work, a new job, a career, no? A new career, no? Bagong trabaho. Okay? So, you need to be driven, no? Kailangan mo ng lakas ng loob. You need to be inspired. Also, kailangan mo din i-analyze ng maayos yung sitwasyon. You know what is right and what is wrong. Alam mo yung strength and weaknesses mo. Alam mo yung kung ano yung tama at mali. Okay? So, you are in between. You will be determining kung saan ka. Okay? Kung ano yung para sa'yo. Okay? Ano yung tama sa'yo, para sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, merong bagong trabaho na ino-offer or meron kang matatanggap ka sa isang company. Bagong contract ito. Okay? So, be confident, no? Do not underestimate yourself. Yeah. Kung meron kang business, no? So, move forward ka lang sa iyong business or creative projects, no? Or creative venture. Okay? Merong opportunity para sa inyo. Okay? So, parang ito yung magbibigay sa inyo ng stability or steady income, no? For some of you. Okay? Yeah. Okay. For some of you, you need advice, no? Kung ano yung mga pwede mong gawin or dapat mong gawin. Okay? But then, sometimes, parang mas gusto mo na isarili mo na lang. Okay? You are not expressing. You are not giving your time and attention or you are not giving your energy to a situation, no? So, kung meron ka mga concerns or problema, merong someone na pwede mong kausapin or hingan mo ng tulong, no, or advice. Okay? This is about maybe finances for some of you. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you need help financially. Okay? Yeah, you will be, you need help financially. But, parang kinikip mo na lang sa sarili mo. Okay? Maybe you don't want to be disturbed or maybe you don't or ayaw mong mag-istorbo or humingi ng tulong, no, sa taong ito. Okay? This is a father figure for some of you, no? They care for you pero hindi lang nila na-express, no? Yeah. You're thinking about money. Okay? You want improvement, no? Yeah, for some of you, merong improvement when it comes to your finances. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, no? Sa kinalalagyan ninyo ngayon. But ito yung mga energy na lumalabas. Because, yeah, you are, parang, you want to spend on something, pero, ayaw mo. You are just being wise, no? A wise spender. Okay? For some of you. Okay. Diba sa inyo, merong mga arguments or problema when it comes to finances, no? Like conflicts with other people, okay? Parang may mga nangingialam, okay? Yeah, merong fighting. So, you are looking forward, no? To receive an opportunity na para sa'yo. So, you're leaving a situation, you want peace of mind para makafocus ka kung ano talaga yung goal mo. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, merong good news about financial matters. Okay? Yeah. Okay, merong invitation for some of you. Merong tulong na ibibigay sa inyo, or there is someone na mag-express ng kanyang nararamdaman, okay? Inviting you to go out or to spend time with them. Okay? Yeah. But you're also thinking about money, your finances, your resources. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga bagong pag-aaralan, may mga challenges, no? May gusto kayong tingnan, no? Na isang opportunity or pagkakataon. Okay? Na regarding to sa career, trabaho, or regarding sa finances. Tingnan natin. Sometimes this is about unexpected, no, opportunity or good news, no? Meron kang good news na matatanggap. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving like parang referral, no, prospects about work from your friends. Okay. Knight of Pentacles. So, I think kailangan mo maging confident, no? Step onto your power. Be confident, no? Sa sarili mo at sa sarili mong kakayahan. So, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Of course, may mga challenges along the way, no? Na may encounter ka. So, also you need to get ready, okay? You are embarking a new chapter, no? In your life. Or meron kayong naisip na mga creative project, no? Nagpaplano kayo, nagagawin nyo pa lang. Yeah. Okay. I think kailangan mo din sipagan, no? Consistent dapat yung effort mo if you are looking for a job for some of you, or meron kayong plano. Siguro kailangan mo ng progress, or consistent dapat yung action ninyo, okay? Yeah. Action also is needed. Yes, action. Be ambitious, kumbaga. Okay? Yeah. Meron din talagang, kung yung sipag na to, no, mayroon din talagang magandang resulta na ibibigay sa inyo. For some of you, there will be an announcement of good news, no, or matatanggap ka sa isang trabaho. There is someone, no, na parang interesado siya sa inyo, okay, parang naniniwala siya, okay, sa inyong talent, sa inyong skills. Yeah. For some of you, you will be receiving good news, okay, about this, kung naghahanap kayo ng work. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong creative project, no, or business na gagawin, so maybe you will be launching that business. Okay? Yeah. May mga events kang pupuntahan or collaboration, okay? Meeting with your friends, no? Getting information with them, okay? Yeah. May mga options ka and choices, no? For some of you. Or merong indecisiveness ka sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? You are uncertain, no? Okay? You are uncertain about success or victory. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Merong improvement sa inyong situation. So, kung ano man tong pinagdadaanan ninyo na sacrifices, no? Or difficulties, no? So, merong katapusan yan. You will be experiencing vitality, no? Kasiglahan sa inyong sitwasyon. There will be success. Or you will come to a ano tawag dito, na masasabi mo na, okay, ito yung para sa akin. Okay, parang wish come true to para sa akin. Merong fulfillment, no? And joy kang mararamdaman over itong uncertainty mo na to. Okay? Yeah. May stability and growth, no? When it comes sa trabaho or sa career. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be thinking, planning for the future. Yes. Planning about yourself, no? Sa future mo, no? Sa stability mo when it comes to your work, finances. Okay? No, so, kailangan mo lang din siguro ng tapang or lakas ng loob, ng strength, para matapos mo kung ano yung mga kailangan gawin. Okay? Yeah. Planning is needed, no? Before you take action. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong naisip na mga good ideas, no? Or solusyon sa problema mo. Okay? Again, so we have the sun and the star, no? May emotional fulfillment dito. Okay? Parang you are guided, no? Meron kang guiding star na parang kung ano yung gusto mo or wini-wish mo, makukuha mo, makakamtan mo. Okay? Kailangan mo lang din siguro talaga natatagan yung loob mo, balansehin mo yung emosyon mo, okay? At magtiwala ka sa sarili. Okay? So, kasipagan, being consistent, no, or progressive, no, plus you are not giving up the situation equals result, good result, or success. Okay? Yeah. No? So, I think patience is needed, no? Kailangan mo magpasensya. Pahabain mo pa yung pasensya mo sa inyong sitwasyon. And understanding, no? No? And compassion, no? Sa iyong sitwasyon, sa sarili mo. Okay? Be kind, no? To your situation. Okay? So, for some of you, when it comes to a relationship, maybe with someone na may mataas na posisyon sa isang trabaho, merong disappointment or merong third party involved here, no? Maybe you are waiting for an attention and time from someone and merong dito sadness, no? Maybe you've been waiting. So this is asking you to be understanding of the situation, no? Maybe this person meron siyang mga responsibilities kaya hindi ka nabibigyan ng tamang oras at atensyon na para sa'yo. Also, parang merong third party energy dito. Okay? Yeah, that's why may mga delays. Yeah. But when it comes to work, no? Parang patience is needed, no? Kasipagan, being consistent, no? And not giving up. Okay? May makukuha ka din talagang magandang resulta. Merong hope and illumination or kaliwanagan sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? For some of you, make a wish now, no? And it will be given to you. Kailangan lang ng sipag, no? And don't give up sa sitwasyon mo. Okay. For some of you, you need a change, no? Yeah, or merong relocation for work dito para sa inyo. Yes. Yeah. You are thinking about a dream job, okay? But you know, it is not yet revealed to you. Parang merong mangyayari sa situation mo, no? Okay, na kailangan mo mag-relocate ng trabaho. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, if you are applying, yeah, maybe the management or yung mga boss nag-uusap about your qualification, no? Pinag-iisipan, no? If they're going to get or hire you, no? And you are hoping for the best, no? And this is something siguro in-applyan mo to, this is a dream job. Pero you want to know something, pero sinasabi ng universe na it's not yet time for you to know kung ano man to, okay? Basta, merong ano dito na parang merong niluluto, okay? Merong swerte, no? Positive change na mangyayari sa inyo. Maybe you will be offered a job that requires a relocation, okay? Or transfer. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be taking a leap of faith, no? On something, no? Yeah. Okay. Making a leap of faith when it comes to work. Okay. Yeah, parang merong spiritual growth na mangyayari dito sa inyo. Merong sense of maturity over the situation. Okay? For some of you, you will start from the scratch. Okay? Work man to or relationship man to. Mero, kung iyong iba sa inyo, if this is a relationship, merong pagpaplano, no? Meeting something or ano na. And this is something that will make you really happy, no? Okay? But then, it's like unknown. Parang hindi pa alam kung anong mangyayari. Okay? Parang it's not yet sure or meron pang kailangan gawin. Okay? And for you, parang it's taking time, no? And now, maybe you will just be living it temporarily. Okay? That situation. Or for some of you, merong short trip na mangyayari. Okay? So, you just have to wait for the right time. Okay? So, use your time to take good care of yourself. Tingnan natin. So, nurture yourself, develop yourself, alagaan mo ang iyong sarili. Cancer. December, okay? Maybe the month of December, meron kang good news na darating dito. This is a significant month for you. Something good will happen. Okay? Fair woman. Dealing a relationship with a woman with blonde, gray, or white hair. Okay? Siguro meron kang concern with someone, no? Na kailangang ayusin. Okay? Or maybe you will be meeting this fair woman. No? Na a significant person. Merong grapes. Time to go out and have fun. Okay? Time to go out and have fun, no? Parang wag ka mag-dwell sa isang disappointment or sa isang situation. Tower. Solid foundation, success with effort. See, so, kailangan mo ng effort talaga, kasipagan. Be patient and don't give up. Okay? Kasi, darating yung success para sa'yo. Cancer. Flowers. Happiness. You see? So, magiging masaya ka din sa sitwasyon mo. Basta wag ka lang mag-give up. Be confident. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Okay? One more. Walk away. Leave the unhealthy situation and enjoy the new doors that open as a result. Okay? So, kung nasa isang unhealthy situation ka man or toxic na situation, maybe this is a relationship na toxic or unhealthy, maybe it's time for you to walk away from that, no? And start from the scratch. Okay? Yeah. So, all the best sa inyo, Cancer. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!